See, here the next question. F of x equal to modulus of 2x minus 3 into box x if x is greater than or equal to 1, sin pi x by 2 if x is less than 1, is continuous at x equal to 1 but not derivable at x equal to 1. You know, every differential function, what? Continuous. Is it? If it is differentiable, every differentiable function is what? Continuous. But every continuous function need not be differentiable. Don't forget that every differentiable function is what? Continuous. But every continuous function need not be differentiable. So this question, what they are saying, it is continuous but not a differentiable. How we are checking continuous? LHL equal to RHL equal to what? F of a. I'm going to do that one in this case. But here there is a small problem. Usually we people are taking x greater than or equal to 1. This is positive or negative. But there's a theory problem is there. What do you mean by? I'll tell you. Modulus definition, you know, I already told you that one. Mod something is what? The same thing. That thing is greater than or equal to 0 minus of this one. I used to tell about this one. So in this case we have mod 2x minus 3. That first we have to identify. Mod 2x minus 3 can be 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0 means x greater than or equal to what? 3 by 2. Or minus of 2x minus 3 x less than 3 by 2. This definition is very important. So what I want to say? Actually 3 by 2 is coming verb. See, it's actually a theory part. If you are directly writing also you'll get it, but we have to care about this also. Modulus when it comes you have to care about that. So 3 by 2 will be somewhere over here. 3 by 2. And here 1 will be there, here 2 will be there, here 0. Is it? So when x is less than 3 by 2, when x is less than 3 by 2 means this side, x greater than 3 by 2 means this side. Actually our value x greater than or equal to 1. I told you x greater than 1, right limit when we are taking, what do you mean by greater than 1? A minute value just greater. For example 1.0001. Where it can be? It will be this one. So when x greater than or equal to 1 or x less than 1, both are coming actually less than 3 by 2 only, but here already the function is changed. So x less than 3 by 2, 1 is coming there. So which will be the function? The function will be this one will come. So this function I am going to rewrite. This function I am going to rewrite. Please see. F of x equal to what? It became like this. Minus of, is it? Because when x greater than or equal to 1 will be here. At that time modulus function is what? Negative. Modulus function is what? Negative. So negative of 2x minus 3 means what? It is actually 3 minus 2x. So what we can? 3 minus 2x into box x if x greater than or equal to 1 and sin. This there won't be any modulus or anything, so same thing we can write. I hope you understood it because many people are not caring about that, they are directly writing it, but modulus concept we have to check. Now what we have to check? Continuity at x equal to 1. How will be? Continuity at x equal to 1, how we can write it? Continuity at x equal to 1, first we have to find f of 1. F of 1 will be here. F of 1 when we are substituting what? 3 minus 2 box 1, is it? That will be 1 only. Box 1 is 1 only, is it? Now LHL when we are doing this, you know, limit x tending to 1 minus f of x equal to limit x tending to 1. 1 when we are substituting 3 minus 2 into 1, is it? 3 minus 2 into 1 is what? 1. So, sorry, 1 minus function is changed, sorry. 1 minus this one, no, sorry, 1 minus this one, 1 minus this will be the function. So, sin pi x by 2, limit x tending to 1, sin pi x by 2. I already told you, directly it is existing or not, first you have to check. After that only you have to think about all the result. Yes, x tending to 1, it will be what? Sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 how much? 1. Now, what about the RHL? RHL, limit x tending to 1 plus f of x equal to limit x tending to 1 plus means this will be more than 1. What will be? 3 minus 2x into box x. Box x we have to try the definition. So 3 minus 2 into 1 is what? 1 into What is box x? When 1 plus coming, more than 1, box will be what? I mean greatest integer is what? 1. So what we can say? LHL equal to RHL equal to what? F of 1. Therefore this function LHL equal to RHL equal to F of 1. Therefore this function is what? Continuous at x equal to 1. I hope you understood. That is the first part we did. Don't forget about this. Whenever modulus is coming out, write this one. Some people cut the mark because according to the definition there is issue. Okay, I hope you understood this part. Now what I am going to discuss after this, it is derivable. So please write it. It is derivable or not. That's the next part we want to discuss. Okay, now this is derivable or not. That means we have to find LHD and RHD are what? Equal. See, you maybe remember last class I told you how we are showing. Anyway, those who are not there last class, please see. RHD we people are writing this one. Limit h tending to 0. F of a plus h minus f of a by h. This is our RHD. And our LHD is what? LHD at a particular point at x equal to what? A. And LHD at x equal to what? A. What? Limit h tending to 0. F of a minus h minus f of a divided by minus h. Last class I given another result that will be easy for you. I told you about that. This a plus h, just put it as what? X. A plus h, just put it as what? X. So what will be h? H will become what? X minus a. So this you can write like this also. Listen, f dash of x. F dash of x, or we can write r f dash of x, like that we can write. It will be limit x tending to. Limit x tending to a plus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. This result you can use. It is easy. A plus means right limit a plus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Last class I told you about this one, and this one also you can write like that. LHD first derivative will be what? Limit x tending to a minus. Same thing you can write f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Both the case x minus a only will come. If anybody have problem you can check. We call, if you are calling a minus h equal to x, what is minus h? Minus x. Minus h can be replaced by x minus a. Now I am going to check that one in this case. See, first I am checking what? RHD. So RHD, how we can check? Right hand derivative. How we can check? R f dash of what? R f dash of x or R f dash of, we can R f dash of a in that particular value. R f dash of a, here also R L f dash of a, that particular value. R f dash of a, we people can write. Please write it, just 1 minute. Okay, so f dash of a, here we have to check it because box is there. Otherwise directly we can differentiate it. That's also possibilities there. So I already told you f dash of a, we change it to f dash of a. So what is the formula? Right limit? Limit, here a is what? 1. So this a I replaced by what? 1. Limit x tending to 1 plus f of x minus f of a. F of a is how much? 1. Because we people are checking differentiability at x equal to what? 1. That we are checking. So limit x tending to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1. Just like a plus f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. So we can substitute it. What is f of x? 1 plus means more than 1. The function is what? Limit. Once you identify the function, no need write. 1 plus means this will be 3 minus 2x into 1 will come by 1. 3 minus 2x into 1 plus means box x will be what? 1 minus f of 1. F of 1 what will be? 3 minus 2 into 1 box x. What is box x? 1 only by x minus 1. Is it by x minus 1? It will be. Now we have to simplify first. First we have to simplify. What will be? Limit x tending to 1. Limit we can give only after simplifying. So this will be 3 minus 2x. What about this? 3 minus 2 is 1. So minus 1 by x minus 1. So this can be written as limit x tending to 1. It will be minus 2x plus 2 by x minus 1 limit x tending to 1. Directly if you are applying, you can see it won't exist. Minus 2 into x minus 1 by x minus 1. X minus 1 is cancelled, minus 2. So limit will apply only when after simplifying. So x minus 1 and x minus 1 cancel, will get calculations correct only, no? So 3 minus 2 it is 1. Here f of 1, you know, f of 1 is equal to 1 is coming here, so that will be this one. So this is what we got, minus 2. I hope you understood. Now what about the arch? Now this arch part, please see, arch part, that directly you can write. Sorry, RHD be done. Now LHD, L f dash of 1, what will be? This is f of x. No need to apply limit or anything. What is sin pi by 2 x derivative is what? Sin pi by 2 derivative is differentiable. Directly you can do that one. Sin pi by 2 plus x is what? It will be cos pi by 2 x into what? Pi by 2. Now what? At x equal to 1, directly you can do. If it is differentiable, directly you can do, no problem at all. At x equal to 1, what will be this one? Cos pi by 2 into 1. What is cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 is what? 0. This is directly we got 0. No need to apply the result. Result mainly we are applying if it is directly not existing. This directly, you know, box x how to differentiate. So this one, when I simplified, I got equal to 0. Why? When x equal to 1, cos pi by 2 into 1, cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2, how much is 0? So 0 into pi by 2. So what we can say, LHD not equal to RHD. Therefore, this function is not derivable at x equal to 1. But it is what? Continuous at x equal to 1. I hope you understood this part. I hope you understood it. Okay, I think clear. Okay, fine. Now, that's all. Bye.